Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Loving Area. So today we have brought one new topic for the kids. The topics are food, seasons, dresses. So here is the first chapter, food. Let me point the food name and then we will recall the names of the food. First is jam, bread, butter, burger, biscuits, rice, chapati, pulse, cheese. Some more food items are there. Salad, puri, pulao, ice cream, vegetables, pizza, egg, toffee, sandwich, chicken, idli sambar, cake, milk, cold drink, momos, roti, fruit, soup. These all are food items which are healthy and which we eat in our daily life. So here are two questions related to this chapter. First is, who cooks food for you? I repeat the question, who cooks food for you? So all may be knowing the answer, and the answer is, my mother cooks food for me. Answer is, my mother cooks food for me. Second question, what do we have in the morning? Again I will repeat the question, what do we have in the morning? And the answer will be, we have breakfast in the morning. We have breakfast in the morning. Now just see the remember point. The basic need of all living beings is food. We get energy from food to do work. So if we eat food in proper manner, we will be energetic and full of enthusiasm. So we should not avoid food. Second topic is seasons. So here are 5 seasons mentioned in the picture. First is rainy season, summer season, spring season, spring season, winter season, autumn season. Once again we will repeat from the beginning all the seasons name. Rainy season, summer season, spring season, winter season, autumn season. Now here are two questions related to this chapter. First is, name 5 seasons. So already you can see in the picture 5 seasons name, and we have to answer all the 5 seasons which we can see in the picture. Second question is, in which season we use raincoats? Once again I will repeat the question, in which season we use raincoats? So normally we know that what is the answer, and the answer is, we use raincoats in rainy season. We use raincoats in rainy season. Now just have a look over the remember point. Season has a regular cycle in nature, and it is the annual change in the condition of the atmosphere. So seasons, every after 3 months seasons used to change, and it is an annual change. In a year we used to have 5 changes in the season. Now let's move on to the next topic, dresses. Topic is dresses. Now here we can see some dresses which we used to wear. First is kurta, salwar, ribbon, shawl, t-shirt, tie, trouser, sari, blouse, cap, frock, jacket, sweater, shoes, socks. Here are men's shoes, belt, shirt, gloves, jeans, cap, jacket. So here 2 portions are given, one is for ladies and one is for gents. You can see 2 partition of the picture. In one area all the dresses are related to the girls, and in another area all the dresses are related to the boys. So now here we have 3 questions related to this chapter. First is name 2 winter clothes. Once again I will repeat the question. Name 2 winter clothes. So 2 winter clothes, we can say jacket and sweater. Now normally we have many winter clothes like gloves, cap, but here we need only 2 winter clothes, so we will say jacket and sweater. Second question is frock a dress of a girl or a boy? Again I will repeat the question. Is frock a dress of a girl or a boy? So we can see that a frock is in girls area, so we all must be knowing that frocks are worn by girls only. So frock is a dress of a girl. Next question, who wears shorts? Who wears shorts? So children wear shorts. The answer will be children wear shorts. All children, you can see that they are wearing shorts. So answer is this. Now just have a look over the remember point. It depends upon the climatic conditions and regions in which we live, we wear the dresses. Yes, according to the climatic conditions and the atmosphere, we wear dresses. If we are feeling winter, if we are living in snowy region, so we will wear winter clothes. And if we are living in hot region, then we will wear summer clothes. So thank you so much. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on it, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon also.